Yeah, it might be. It's a bit boggy. I just came out of the woods there, so I'm going to try this one. This is like an alien landscape in Doctor Who. Someone's been through here, so I'm just following the kind of sort of trail, and hopefully, see, that's the post there where we gave up last time, so I'm hoping whoever's been through here will have found a way past it. Hey ho, it's an exciting adventure when you step out your door. Who said that? Bilbo Baggins? Yeah, let's go on an adventure. Right, I've come so far, but miles to go before I sleep. Oh, I just had to take my hat and gloves off because it's boiling a bag burst at time. Yeah, this is nice. This would have been great in the summer, mind you. Yeah, flies, midges. Yeah, okay, maybe not. Yeah, right, almost to the bridge, yay. That's a stoop down underneath here. Damn, when did it get so muddy? Oh, oh dear. Did I say it was arduous? Blinking barnacles, fish cake. Oh, can't even see my feet. Oh. Wow. Let's talk about spooky Mercer. This is wild. Oh, dear me. Wow, what an endurance trial that was. Never thought I'd see daylight again. Whew. Okay, let's take a breather. Oh, footpath. Yay. Nice. Now that, along over that little ridgeline path, that was a nice pleasant stroll. Just had a few chicken bites, just walked along, and so much better. Hat and gloves are off, and yeah, over roasted Mercer in 20 minutes. Now, that, I think along there, is where I walked last time, because I had to go through Hell Bound Park, which was nice, different, never been there. So, oh, you shall not pass. Well, go on then. Right, that's the way I came last time. So, slightly different. A bit of an adventure. Well, there we go. That was the Ditton Brook section of the hike to Statmore's Park. Maybe Blundell's Hill, maybe Peck's Hill, I don't know. Oh. So, hi-ho, let's carry on. Mr. Tigger on the Ditton Brook canal thingy. Yeah, this is my bridge. You shall not pass. Oh, come on, yeah.